guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads unusual. So in today's video I'm planning for the week beginning June 7th to the 13th using this kit from StrawberryLimeDesigns. This kit is called Sunrise and of course it is in a premium matte. So I was pointing at that girl because I was talking through this but the audio wasn't saved, to note that that girl was what sold this kit for me. She's just so beautiful and her hair, I love it. So I'm just going to flip through the kit as usual. I'm pairing this kit with like a grape foil from SBC, and I think I also brought in some hollow or sparkly hollow if I remember correctly. I'm pretty sure that's what I did. So as usual, I'm going to let you guys watch me lay down the base and I'll be back for the day by day. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So yeah, enjoy watching the base. Oh yeah, so here I am showing you the sparkly hollow underlay. So I did match it with sparkly hollow. I was right. So yeah, go ahead and watch me lay down my base. Okay, so let's get into the day by day. So starting off with Monday, of course, I used this Simply a Messy Girl, like laying in bed to know I was really tired, which is nothing new. I then used this stack of pancakes from the foil bundle to note having waffles for breakfast, and at the time I didn't have waffle stickers, so that had to do. Then used this paper shire sticker to note work, and the work script is from the Wiggle. I used the same paper shire sticker to mark work for the rest of the week and just changed the work script since I didn't have any more of those ones. I then used the sick day sticker from Sweet Choir Design to note that I was having some hay fever, and it was really bad that day because the pollen was high, which we love. I then used this Coffee Monsters Girl like in a sundress to note that it was a really hot day. Next, I used a laptop sticker from the Honeybee shop and a planning time script from the foil bundle to note I was planning lessons. I then used this like running mine icon from the Wiggle and a play outside script from the Wiggle as well to note playing outside and playing tennis with the kids in after school club. And then finally I marked having a headache using this sticker from Joy of Planning because I had a really bad headache that day. Okay, moving on to Tuesday. At the top of Tuesday, I used a scribbler with ice cream to note it being really hot. I then used a like grocery cart icon from the bundle to note going to Tesco. Then marked work using the same paper shire sticker and a work script from Simply a Mess in like a sparkly hollow. I then used a laptop or computer sticker from the kit and a castle script from Bella Plant Ella to note a castle binge, and once again I do PR for her. So use my code ADIATI15 at Bella Plant Ella to get 15% off my order. I then marked fun planning using this custom sticker from Fox and Pip of me and my husband, and the fun planning script is from Bella Plant Ella, of course. I then used a YouTube play button from the foil bundle and another Bella Plant Ella custom to note a planning with me binge, and then I used the burger sticker from the foil bundle to note having bins. Now moving on to Wednesday, I used a Mixie Cat Stuff sleep sticker to note being tired once again. Then use a scribbler like sunbathing to note it was just super duper hot, and that probably added to my tiredness. I marked work the same way I had on Tuesday using the paper shire sticker and the Simply MS script. I then marked being like falling asleep at work, basically using the stick with a panko get out with like a cup of coffee because I was so exhausted and the heat wasn't helping. I then use this crafting sticker from Plan a Face to note doing arts and crafts. I then noted my observation using an Olive Studio FaceTime sticker and an observation script from Bella Plant Ella. I then used a laptop icon from the foil bundle and a custom lecture script from Bella Plant Ella. I then noted another lecture using another custom script from Bella Plant Ella to note another lecture using a Zoom munchkin from Once More with Love. And that was the first half of the week. So now moving on to Thursday. On the top of Thursday, I marked work the same way I had for the other days using the paper shire character and the Simply MS script. I then marked using an alarm clock from the foil bundle. That was a really long day at work. I then used a Mixie Cat Stuff cooking sticker to note we made chocolate chip flapjacks in Cooking Club. I used a TV icon from the Wiggle and a castle script again to note another castle binge because I love me some castle. If you haven't watched it, I think you should watch it, especially if you like things like kind of Criminal Minds and Bones and things like that. You would like Castle. I then used a Mixie Cat Stuff car sticker to note that there was loads of traffic when I was going home. I used a Nap Queen sticker from the Honeybee shop to note taking a nap. Then use a paper shire vanilla with a burger sticker to note having bins again. And I then use a Whimsical Cat Studio sticker of a boy gaming to note that my husband was gaming as usual. Moving on to Friday. At the top of Friday, I used this Love Struck Girl from Pink Diamond Planner Coat to note that it was finally Friday, so I wrote TGIF because I was so exhausted this whole week. I was just happy that it was finally Friday. I then used the same stickers I used before to mark work, the planner, no, what is it called? I forgot what it's called. Paper Shire, that's it, the Paper Shire Get Out Nana character and the work straight from Simply a Mess. I then used another Paper Shire Nana with a stack of papers to note that was sorting out homework. And then I used a Jolene Paper Co. Starshine Girl with a book to note homework club. I then used a Joy of Planning Girl in like a fall outfit or summer outfit to note it was super duper hot. I then used a Bella Planet Ella sticker that says buy more stickers, which is also in my freebie if you like that sticker, to note making a planner face order. I think it was her like an anniversary sale. I then used a Planner Pixie Co. Sticker of a boy gaming to note that my husband was gaming. Cool. Then I used a pizza icon and a pizza night script from Bella Planet Ella to note having a pizza night. So moving on to Saturday. On Saturday, at the top of Saturday, I used a Stick with a Plan Co. girl with like a cup of coffee to note being super tired and up super early. I then used a YouTube play button sticker and a Plan With Me Binge script from Bella Planet Ella to note another Plan With Me binge. I then used a love heart sticker from the Wiggle to note that we remembered that we had a fan and we brought it out, and I felt like the love heart was the best thing I had to note it because it was like I fell in love. I was so excited. Then I used a Mixie Cat stuff sticker with a cat to note having pizza that morning, like the leftover pizza for breakfast. I then used a YouTube sticker from Pink Leaf Prints and a with hub script from Bella Planet Ella to note the YouTube binge. Then I used a TV icon to note watching Everybody Hates Chris. I then used a planner sticker from Olive Studio and a fun planning script to note fun planning, and then an ice cream sticker to note getting some creams. Moving on to Sunday, I used a Whimsical Cat Studio breakfast gal to note making breakfast. I then used a Paper Shire Nana like sleeping and a sleep in script from the Wiggle to note sleeping in. I think I slept in first, but I just put them in that order. I then used a grocery sticker from Paper Shire with a mask to note the grocery run. The grocery run script is from the Wiggle. I then used a Planner Hannah YouTube sticker and a Plan With Me binge script to note a Plan With Me binge. Then used a Joy of Planning meal prepping character and then meal prep script from the foil bundle to note meal prepping for the following week. And then I used a movie marquee and a script from Bella Planet Ella of Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets and a sticker of Hermione from Planner Face. I think there was the second Harry Potter I was watching this week. So yeah, that was the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you thought of this video. Once again, don't forget to go to my Instagram, PlanWithAds, to see all my spreads in action and more pictures and close-ups and all the shops tagged. So I'm going to flip through what is left of the kit, and yeah, I shall see you in the next video. Bye!